Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Explore with Ishwari. So today I am going to review on a book called Sita.
An adopted daughter who trained to be a fierce warrior, ruled as an able prime minister, and was destined to be a goddess.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति सुव्रत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदा प्रकृतिसम्भवा.
Sita, warrior of Mithila.
The Warrior of Mithila. This book is written by Amesh. This book contains 32 chapters. So this book story is based on Mata Sita's life. It is like their biography. I am just going to give a brief explanation of this book. You can read this book if you want the whole explanation. So the story of this book goes like that. King Janak and Queen Sunena was traveling from the forest. Suddenly they saw one basket lying in between the road. They ordered their soldiers to bring that basket. They saw that basket and they saw it contained a little baby girl. The Queen Sunena, King Janak don't have their own child from the years of their marriage. So Queen Sunena wanted that baby to adopt it as their child. So King Janak also agreed with that. They take her baby with them to the palace and adopt her as their child and name her Sita. She grew into a nice and beautiful girl. After few years of coming Sita to the palace, they get their own child named Urmila. So now Sita has become the 8 years old. Now she was sent to the Gurukul. There her nickname of Gurukul was Bhumi. Her best friend was Radhika. She was one of the brilliant students in the Gurukul, like we are in the schools. So she was favorite student of his guru. After few years, she completed her education. Her mother has come to take her from the Gurukul. Both her mother and Sita loved to take a ride of elephant because they love to learn about the forest habitats. So they take her for elephant ride from the forest when she was kid. So again they were going to do that. While riding the elephant, Sita's mother, Queen Sunena, told her that she was going to die in few days. Means calmly she have told that I don't have so many days to survive. This is our last elephant ride. With that only Sita was moved to tears, but she controlled her and tell her that you have to now become a prime minister of Mithila. After the death of Queen Sunena, she has become the prime minister of Mithila. She have administered the state Mithila nicely. After a few years, she gone to Kerala with Guru Vishwamitra for the further educations, and there she get a good educations of weapons, Vedas. So after that she come here again administered the Mithila and get more knowledge about her country. After few years, Mata Sita has settled the Swayamvar for her. I am telling you this story by the point of view Sita. Means Mata Sita has set the Swayamvar and their Prabhu Sri Ram has come with Guru Vaishishta. Ravan has also come, who was the king of Golden Lanka. Mata Sita has insulted Ravana, remove him from the court. He was so hurt by this insult by the Mata Sita. Now Prabhu Sri Ram pick up the Shiv Dhanush, and you know only that they have tied the rope and then Shiv Dhanush was broken and Sita Mata and Prabhu Sri Ram were married. So with that only they both were married. Lakshman and Urmila was also married by the suggestion of Sita. Urmila is the younger sister of Sita. As I have told you that Ravana was hurt by the insult of Mata Sita, so he decided to attack on the Mithila. Mithila is a small state, it can't afford the big wars. At the night time, Ravana has attacked the Mithila. It is against the rules of war, because at that time it was ruled that after the sunset there would be no war, but he still attacked the Mithila at night time. They were fighting and that was the Sita's first war and she was fighting against them, but Mithila has a small force and Ravan is a big enemy for them, as he have a well-trained soldiers, archers and horse riders. So they don't have that much people, that much trained soldiers and that much force. So at that night time Prabhu Sri Ram, Lakshman and Sita all were fighting. But only one solution was that to run an Asuri Astra. It is an arrow. If we shoot it on our enemy army, the whole army will be destroyed. And in Mithila there were only two sharpshooters. One was Prabhu Sri Ram and one was Guru Vishwamitra. And Guru Vishwamitra has blackmailed Prabhu Sri Ram that you can't even save your wife's house. So he was forced to take that Asuri Astra and shoot it on the enemy's army. So he take it and shoot it. That Asuri Astra, if anyone shoots that Asuri Astra, it was dangerous to the life. But still Prabhu Sri Ram do it. With this act, Mata Sita was angry with Guru Vishwamitra. After that war was ended, on morning, Mata Sita, Prabhu Sri Ram, Urmila and Lakshman went to Ayodhya. There in Ayodhya, King Dasharatha and all her three queens welcomed them and get them married again with a huge celebration. And with this only they both get married. And after that, that announcement of Prabhu Sri Ram become a king was done. And after that they get an exilation of 14 years. And in that only, till this only the story is there. And there I think so there will be again part 2 of this book, because there is written to be continued like a movie. So I think it will be continued. But from my point of view, it is so nice book. It is little bit huge, you can see that, but it is so nice to read. So you must read this book. I like this book so much. I just summarize this book. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye. Keep watching Explore with Ishwari.
Sita, warrior of Mithila.